morning, dear friends. And today, again, we are here with our friends, our students from my institute. And today's topic is very, very important. This is the most crucial topic, that is having good friends, having good speaking partners around you, a good surrounding. Good surrounding doesn't mean only fluent people. Good surrounding also means people who support you, people who are very motivated, people who are positive, people who do not pull you down but push you up. Communication is a group task. It's a teamwork. It is not a solo task. It is not like any technical subject which you can sit, study, and get good grades. Communication needs good surrounding. Communication needs supportive people. Communication needs people who will not laugh at your English, but support you and push you. Why it is important and how it is helps you. That is what we are going to discuss here. We have four students. Dr. Reena is a anesthetist. Uma is working in private company. Mithun is a mechanical engineer. Raghunath is software engineer. We are going to ask them what they feel and how is their experience. This video is very important if you want to speak fluently and you need some good friends around you. So here we go. Let us start. First of all, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let us start with Dr. Reena. Dr. Reena, what's your experience? I mean, developing good fluency and confidence. Why your teammates are important? Why their contribution is important in developing your fluency?
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yeah, my name is Dr. Reena. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from Jamnagar MP Shah Medical College. Recently, I am working in Government Medical College in Gujarat. Yeah. So fluency development. Friends plays a very vital role, I can say. But before that, I want to start with Sandeep sir's favorite quote that you are the average of 5 friends you have. Yeah. Because today this topic is very connected to this quote, so I thought that I have to start with this quote. Yeah. So before joining the DNA session, I was very low in confidence, and I was hesitant to speak in front of other people, and I was thinking that I am being judged by other people. So in that way, I couldn't start to speak. But after joining the DNA sessions, within few days, I gained my confidence. I have completed 1 month here. I can't say that I am fluent and I am very much confident, but yes, I can face the people. So here sir has provided us a very good family, DNA members family. There is no alternative language for expressing ourselves here. So we have no choice other than English. So and without hesitation, I can speak with DNA friends. And here I want to share my experience of DNA friends. So once I was talking to one member of a DNA family. I told her about my low confidence and my lows and what type of fear I am facing. So she made me in a very good way. She made me understand that we all are here. She said that we all are here on the same boat. So here people are not around you to judge you. All the people are here for their improvement, and we are all here to learn something new. So so it that those were at that time I had completed only 6 to 7 days, and there are after that I have experienced so many good experiences I have. But all the people of DNA family members are very supportive, very encouraging, and one more positive thing, they are very patient listeners. So we can express ourselves very patiently, and we can express ourselves by taking our own time. So that is the experience of my
Great.
this.
Yeah, exactly. And Dr. Reena, I always have told everyone that you have to understand that the person who is in the group, I mean, with whom you're speaking, has come from a different background. I mean, he is nervous. He has gone through some fear, emotional problems regarding English communication. He has been judged by others. So now he is very, very careful. Now he is nervous. So when these people are there in front of you, you have to understand their position. You have to be very empathetic. You have to understand that what they're going through, and you have to support them accordingly. And I'm glad that our family is helping you, and it's really wonderful. And I'm sure, Dr. Reena, you are also going to give it back. You are also going to support all the new students who are going to join us. And great. Okay, let us jump into Raghunath. Raghunath, good morning to you, and introduce yourself, from where you belong to, and same question to you. What's your experience? Why good friends, good teammates are very important in developing your communication, your fluency, and your confidence?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Raghu. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, I'm working in a software domain. So I have a 6-year experience in that domain. My purpose is joining this course is I want to speak in fluent and very confident in my office meetings and everything. So in public speaking. So that is my intention. Now I am very sure. So I can speak without any preparation, without I can share my opinions and my thoughts anyone without any thinking, without any hesitation. So I'm very happy for this. So yeah, speaking with that coordinator section is very helpful, sir. So because before in office or any environment we are speaking very less English in public speaking or office meeting. So in that time we are doing the we are speaking very less time in the day, a complete day. So that time we are doing a lot of mistakes. I am joining this coordination section. I am doing the mistake. I am correcting myself in the coordination section. So that's why my English is frequently improving every day, day by day. Every day it is improving my English because I am correcting myself. So my English, in case today I frame the one sentence in wrong, tomorrow I correct, and in case I use the same sentence in the correct way. So my thought process also automatically it change the my sentence formation, everything. So this coordination section, so it is very important because the people are different people are there in the joining. So some people are doctors and other people are there, different knowledge people are there. They're sharing their opinions and their thoughts, and yeah, that is it is improving our knowledge, and every day we are becoming more wise. Yeah, that is the advantage in coordination section. I observed the other platforms. In the other platform they are speaking very regular topic. Every day introduction is there, every day there is no topic. I seen other platform before joining this section. So we are doing the 10 minutes 15 minutes for the introduction. That also the attending person, other end person is they are doing from attractive people for the attraction. Here there is no attraction people, so we can speak very confidently without any attraction people. We can improve our English. That is the biggest advantage. So our intention is very right direction and right way. So that is my understanding, sir. Thank you, sir.
Raghunath, exactly. You hit the bullseye actually,
Yeah.
because what we discuss is also important.
Yes.
Because it is said that great minds discuss ideas. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events, and small minds discuss people. And I don't want that to happen in the coordinators club, in our discussion sessions. We have to discuss
Yes.
something which is helpful. For example, we have Mithun, who is from mechanical engineering and he's into automobiles. He can tell us about safety. He's working into that automobile sector, in that field where safety he designs and all. Dr. Reena is from medical field. She can teach us from her field. So it is a great exchange of knowledge, information. not gossiping, or not talking about some political debates, not doing some religious talks, nothing hateful, nothing about people, everything about self-development, everything about self-improvement. Very nice, Raghunath. And that is
Yes.
what I crave for, because not only fluency should improve, not only your confidence, but your thinking also should improve. And thinking is mainly affected by the company you keep, the discussion you have. Fantastic. Let us talk to Uma. Hi, Uma. Good morning to you. Introduce
Good morning,
yourself,
sir.
part of India you're speaking, and what's your profession?
Good morning, sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And good morning to every one of my DNA family members. This morning, I really very grateful to be here because I never expected this situation will come into my life to share my happiness and how my journey is being during these 4 months, because I have completed 4 months with the DNA, sir. So now I'm feeling really confident, and I'm sure definitely I will remember this day, because my first meeting was Sunday, the July 18th with you, sir.
Oh,
And
you remember the
today
date
also,
also.
yes, sir. And today also Sunday. So definitely these will be the one of the rememberable day in my life, because those changes I have ever expected in my life, I can see it in 4 months. So that much of confidence I have got from you, sir, only because of you. This platform being enriched by these many people with, like, of course we are from religions, different backgrounds, different areas, different places, but I never think that I can meet these many people with different fields. I'm feeling really grateful from myself. I am Uma Kasani, currently living in England, although I'm from Andhra Pradesh, India. So this is a really great opportunity for me to experience my experience to share with you all. And in my initial days, I was also a nervous person, fearful to speak to the people. There is a lady called Saromangala. She's from Karnataka, I think. She was really approached me in a good way, and the way she told me, like, very encouraging. Because as a new person, I struggled to get my words out in a correct way, because I'm thinking like, okay, people trying to judge me. But yes, it didn't happen ever, sir. I feel really very pleased. I felt like I went home, because the friends I have chosen, that made me feel like I'm at home, feel like my family members. So that much of connectivity is there. And another person also, Jennifer, is also my best friend, sir. I'm really proud to say that. I don't know, before the DNA journey, I don't know these people. So only because of you, it did happen. By making a good friends, I learned so many things, especially I being consistent, sir. During these 4 months, I never missed my session with you, sir. During the 4 weeks with you, I enjoyed my journey. But when it's like practice batch session, I didn't realize I had to move with Rahul, sir. But it's okay. I enjoyed that journey as well, because it is my turn to speak, my turn to take an advantage, and I enjoyed that challenge as well. Yes, I have come across so many people. I didn't feel like nervous after 2 months, and it's building up confidence only because of you, sir, because of your natural processes, whatever we have been practicing. But without of these, maybe I don't see these many changes what I'm experiencing now. And I'm really grateful, and I love the people, whoever in this DNA family. And if I talk about anything in my life after my family members, this is the DNA family I can share with anywhere I go. Only with this experience, I have secured a job which I can do during my school hours with my children. And also, I have made friends over there, nearly 12 people so far in 2 months. So I'm really grateful to share these things. Because of you, I have built that confidence. I can say now I am get rid of my fearfulness. I'm facing people. I can do it. Attitude is in me. Only this platform. So can I start about a topic, sir, or shall I go in another round?
I will ask you another question.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you
But
very much. I couldn't
one
talk
more thing is,
otherwise.
now you're doing a job and you're in UK. So are you comfortable with native speakers while speaking with them?
Definitely, sir. Before that, I neglected to even my kids' teachers to talk about how they're performing,
Okay.
because from home I know how they do, how they can achieve. So in that sense, I thought I didn't need to make a sentence or a conversation with them. But now I shouldn't leave it, because if I'm leaving it, when they go to secondary school, it's going to be difficult for me to connect with people. So after this confidence, now I am making more conversations with their teachers when it's parents meet, and everything is coming into my way in a positive way. So I
Yeah,
am
Uma,
enjoying the process.
you know what, and I have observed you. Please rectify me if I'm wrong. Native speakers will not judge us. The Indians will judge us. When you make mistake, Indians will judge, but native speakers will not judge you. They will just focus on what is the message you are going to give, you're trying to give, and they say okay. But Indians judge. Many people, we have students from all over the world actually, and many of our Indians have told that when we speak to native speakers like US and UK and Australia and all, they, even if you make a mistake, they will not judge you. I mean, they will just say, excuse me, will you repeat it? That's all. But the Indians do that. And that is a big problem, because in India, English is considered as something, a language of knowledge and a language of prestige and a symbol of success. But it is not true actually. And I'm very happy, Uma, that you are not avoiding. See, one point you rightly said, I really liked that point. I did not avoid. I met my kids' teachers, because in higher secondary, you have to go and talk to them. You have to meet them. And that is the fact. The fact is, you can't avoid the situation. And if you think by avoiding you can escape, no, you have to pay a bigger price for that. And I follow the same principle in my life as well. Whenever I feel like, oh, this is a tough situation, and my mind tells Sandeep, avoid it, escape from it, I say no, that's going to make me more weaker. I go and I face it. Fantastic, Uma. Mithun, yeah, hi. So introduce yourself and tell us about your profession and your journey, and what do you think about the group communication? Yeah.
Sure, sir. First of all, thanks for giving this opportunity. And yeah, so I will come to that point later. So what I wanted to tell about this conversation, what we are doing. Yeah, before that, so myself, Mithun, I am from Karnataka. I'm an mechanical engineer, and I'm working for the automotive domain. Yeah, before starting this journey, so I was searching for the good platform to learn, or I would say better communication skills. But yeah, so in I watched in YouTube's lot of platforms, but those are related to grammar related things. And even I continued one week or 2 weeks, and I tried to apply in my daily habits. But it is not easy to get the grammar. And fortunately, I saw your videos, at least three in series, 6-minute videos. So I thought, yeah, this person is speaking very confidently. So but just I saw that confidence, and later I realized, okay, so normally in YouTube, people will attract the people with a lot of practice and confidently. So just I skip that later stage. When I saw this kind of video, what we are watching, what we are right now doing. So in that, students are speaking. So you are keep quiet, and students are speaking. And there I saw students are very confident, and whatever they communicate, they are communicating. So that triggers me. I need to, something is there in this, and I need to join. So later I joined this with I would say a very authentic entry process to the DNA journey. Later, so yeah, this whatever we are practicing, the habit reports, these are started gradually. So these are, reading books and vocabulary session, what we are doing, and the audio podcast, listening audio books. Everything is okay, so we can listen ourselves and we can practice ourselves. But main thing, so it's a practical thing is required. That is, I consider as coordinated session and daily classes. So practice batch, what we are doing. So that is very, very important, because even in college and everything, so we can practice, we can, in the classroom study, we can do classroom activities, but when it comes to practical, so that will, shape our learning. So in that sense, so this coordinative session is very, very important. And here, it is a surrounding, because I will correlate with my mother tongue. So I'm from a vernacular background. So how we learn our mother tongue? So it's with surrounding, and it's the only language. So we need to express. So there is no, a grammar or something we learn initially. So that, that teaching session will help us, understand the theory behind this, what we are doing, all these things. So that, the practical understanding is very, very important. Whatever we learn, we need to express with the people, and in that sense only we'll get the confidence in that language. And also you told me that, so this is English is a language or tool to communicate. So that is very, very important, because only, speaking in English is not important, and communication. So for that, we need some knowledge and common sense. So that's, normally we'll speak in mother tongue that very easily, but when it comes to, a different language, or like, I would say English, so here we need, good environment, that also we can get in this platform, because people will, comes here with I would say equally minded. So they need, learning and, speaking English. So in that sense, so we can easily discuss with the people, mingle with the people. So there is no other agenda here. So only, learning and speaking with the DNA members, and so that is very, very important. And yeah, no one will judge you, and hesitation, uh, fear will be gone here. So we can easily mingle with the uh, team. So with this, maybe I will come with in the second round. I have some more points to add here. Yeah, thanks for giving this opportunity.
Okay, no problem. Okay, again, the second round, as he said. Dr. Reena, my question is, when you have positive people around you who are submitting the habit reports, regularly, who tell about how they are developing new habits, who tell about how they are getting more disciplined in life. They're talking about books, they discuss about a book, they discuss about the podcast, they discuss about vocabulary, and the energy is infectious. The energy, the enthusiasm is infectious. What is your opinion about this? I mean, do you feel that, it's as someone said in our discussion, that your enthusiasm, your energy is very infectious. You get infected when you see someone trying, when you see someone doing more, reading more, and speaking more, you also feel the same. Like, what's your experience?
Yeah, sir. It's very true for me also, because when initially when I saw that one person has submitted that habit report, in that habit, I came to know about the book Attitude is Everything, and after that I have completed that audio book, and after that, a few days after, I have come across another book, that Stop Worrying and Start Living. And right now, sir, I am listening that audio book. So yeah, it's very we can say it's very infectious in a positive way, because of those daily habit report sharing. I completed my two books, and yeah, one book I have completed, that Who Moved My Cheese. I have completed reading. I have completed my reading, uh, and many more books. I got to know because of that daily habit, reading of the other people's daily habit reports. Yeah, so it's in positive way, yeah, it's very infectious. And yeah, some in a few days, uh, in few days we I forgot, uh, it hardly it two or one days, but next day what I saw that people are submitting their previous day report with dates. So so in that day I had submitted my report by putting previous dates. Uh, so yeah, it is very effective way to learn how to be regular, and how is how much important that daily habit report. Yeah, and I so many things I have come across, like regarding podcast, regarding audiobooks, regarding motivational books, because in that in a group some people are posting post pictures of that books. So we get motivated by seeing those books, and we in our back of mind that thing is always there. Yeah, I have to read, and I have to listen the audiobook, and I yeah today I have to listen that podcast. So in back of mind continuously that process is going on. So whenever we get time, we utilize that time. Before joining this DNA session, sir, whenever we get time, we do gossip with friends, and we think that only we are getting 5-10 minutes. What we can do in these 5-10 minutes? But now I am not wasting my time, and I utilize that time. Wherever in a break, also I utilize my time, and even I talk to my friends about the books, and they also surprised that yeah, you know about this book and that book, like that. So in that way I convey my thoughts to my friends, and yeah, so sir, it's a very good platform to in a positive way. It's very infectious.
You know what? You can see
Yeah.
me smiling. Why? I'll tell you, because I feel really nice when you people are adopting good habits and there are changes in you. That's the reason why you can see a smile on my face. I really get excited when all these changes are happening. And that is the purpose. That is the purpose of my life, actually, to make your life more better, more easier. But it's not going to happen unless and until we have better people around us. And let us go and see what Raghunath has to say. Raghunath, what do you feel like what Dr. Reena has said? Has it happened to you also? Because submitting habit report, why we are doing that? We are doing that because I want to develop these habits in you so strong that after 3 months, when you will leave my institute, that habit must be natural to you. And now you develop the habits, English will follow you. Fluency will come to you.
Yes, sir.
What's your
Yes, sir.
experience?
Yes, sir. Before DNA, I have the Netflix account, Prime, Amazon Prime account. I have the Hotstar Prime account, and also I have the Max and every whatever web series or movies platforms are there. I have all the accounts, G and everything. So currently, I don't have any account. I have the podcast in my mobile. In place of using the YouTube, also I am using the TEDx application, TEDx app. For example, using the YouTube application, it is automatically watching the 20 minutes or half an hour. After 30 minutes, it is recommending the other unknown recommended video. So that time it is my video. I am automatically, without my intention, I am clicking that video. I am watching the 1 hour, 2 hours in the other videos, funny videos, entertainment videos, movie videos. So that's why I changed my sources also. So using the YouTube, I used the TEDx app for the watching and reading purpose, two senses purpose. Um, I deleted all my movie entertainment related videos before any weekend is coming. The time I feel like a weekend, okay, I watch the any web series, I watch okay, this week I will plan this web series, I will complete this web series. Now I changed my weekend plan. So in case any weekend is there, I am joining the coordinator session. Weekdays I'm little bit don't have the time, so I am skipping sometimes. The time I am weekends, I am joining the coordinator section, at least 1 or 2 coordinator section. I am listening the podcast more hours in weekends. So and watching the TEDx videos. For the TEDx videos are not only for motivation, it will automatically it will give the more knowledge of um, specific content. So a lot of content is there. It is not related to anyone. It is related to all our global topics. So we can become a more wise watching that type of videos. Financial videos are there, motivational videos are there, education videos are there, technology videos are there. So we can watch. And also, yes, sir. Mostly, previously, in case in office time or working time, I I feel any tight. That time I am watching the funny videos, anything. So now, I tight. That feeling is there. That time I am listening the podcast. So after a few minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I am watching that podcast. I am gain the my energy levels. I'm again my doing the my work. For example, weekdays I'm after lunch or anytime, okay, I'm listening the podcast for the 20 minutes, half an hour after lunch. So in case I'm getting a sleepy, okay, I will sleep, take a small snap, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, again I will start my work again. So my uh, sources also changed for the relaxing purpose and entertaining purpose. So I changed my, I fill the my gaps with English and good sources. Yes.
Absolutely. And this happens because people around you are also doing this. But if you are in a group where everyone is wasting time gossiping, talking about people, grapevine is there, and only talking about money or criticizing the management, that is what is garbage is going to go in your head. But if you discuss books, if you discuss growth, if you discuss communication, if you discuss helping each other, you also get the same, you also grow. Uma, what do you think about this? And you said that you wanted to say something in the second round also. Yeah, now is the time. Whatever you want to speak, you can speak. Go ahead.
Okay, sir, definitely. Yes, daily habits are really very influential.
By
sir,
the way, what is the
because
time there in UK right now?
6 minutes past 5, sir, in the early morning.
Oh,
It's 5.5 hours difference, sir.
so what time
us
you
to
woke
here.
up then? What time you woke up today?
Normal class timing, sir. It's 1 o'clock.
Oh my God. So you every day wake up at 1 o'clock for this class?
Yes, sir, I do. Yeah. That is the first thing I learned. So I never expected in my life I will wake up this much of early, because in my life I only wake up for the purpose of puja. Otherwise, I never get up early.
Oh my
But
God.
I think my
Give
mom-
her a big hand, all of you. Like, it's really amazing that you get up at 1 o'clock at night. And this really shows the passion to learn and grow. I'm really touched by this. I remember I think once or twice you told me, but I didn't know exactly who was that. Amazing, Uma. Very nice. And this shows your dedication. Keep it up. And it's a real discipline which you are displaying here. Please go ahead now. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Because only of you, sir, I never met a person as a mentor or as a teacher, as a motivational speaker. After my husband, he always says the things, whatever you're saying, but I didn't follow because he's next to me always. But you are teaching from home. So I feel very special. Now I understood the value, and then I'm following it. In that way, I learned to know how to be patient, consistent. First of all, I learned to know that perseverance, sir, how to able to um, discuss the situation, or how to handle that. I get to know what I can do, any kind of situation, what I am facing today. So I feel really good about it. So it's going to be a lifelong journey for me, sir. So I don't think I'm not going to stop it here. So because I am enjoying it, I'm getting the value out of it only by your sessions, especially those Saturday sessions. So if I talk about these daily habits and a positive environment, definitely, sir, because we are capable of in a different way, different timings. Whenever I get time, I try to call Jennifer. Whenever she is available, we try to discuss about the topics, including making the decision about the coordinator sessions. I really don't want to be there, but we discussed how much it is bringing the positiveness and the people how fluent they're getting after they have started coordinator sessions. When it's my turn, now I came to know the difference. If I being only just joining, not taking as a chance or a challenge, I can feel the difference now. So far, maybe I have done like 6 or 7 sessions, sir. Now I can see the difference. So I'm not feeling like how many sessions I'm going to take, but how much I'm getting from each session, the people, what are the topics we are choosing and discussing. And because you're being an active listener in that process and learning a lot, and in that way, without your attention, you're being patient and you get to know more knowledge about the topic. So this is the way I really enjoying the process, sir. I will continue with that coordinator sessions as you asked me earlier on. So definitely it is a good journey, sir.
That's
Why
awesome.
definitely, sir. So I enjoyed the process. So I have faced problems in my initial sessions, but people are there. They never show me like I'm senior, you're junior. There is no partiality. We are helping each other wherever it is. When they need it, definitely there is a person for me. I never feel like I was abandoned from the people. So every time there is a person for me to giving a helping hand. So I'm really grateful for that. If I joined in any other institute, maybe I won't get the people like you have maintained, sir, because this is only one and only platform I have joined to improve the English without my intention. I was watching the videos and everything since maybe 6 to 8 months, sir, but I never took the decision. So one day something did waken me up. So I made my choice, which is really made me happy and see these many people from home, even though I won't get to physically meet these people, but I'm feeling really grateful. I can keep these people in my mind forever. So I'm really enjoying. So about the habits, sir, it is definitely influencing, sir, because one person is doing certain timings. You also having the ability because it's kind of like a prompting way, I can say. Sometimes I can make up the time to read, suppose 1 hour. But tomorrow, if I couldn't make it up, I feel like there is something I'm missing today. Until I finish that habit report, I feel like don't do anything else. So I'm trying to utilize the time wherever I can, whether I'm in kitchen or driving or outside. Whenever it is possible, I'm utilizing time more efficiently than before. Even my mobile, when my husband was taking my mobile to check something the other day, he said my YouTube was full up of audiobooks. So it never be like that before. And also that booklet app, it's really beneficial, is giving the summaries and it's giving you like a great idea about the book before you going to start. And also I started to purchasing books, sir. Wherever I go, my views are always going into the books aisle rather than going into clothes and somewhere else where I used to be. But I really happy for that. And also my kids are also my another teachers at home. So I am sharing with them whatever I am doing. They are also very consistent more than me. Mom, have you joined the session today? Yesterday also? So this much of awareness, it has been created in my life, sir. So I really love the journey, whatever I'm doing. So thank you very much for this opportunity, sir, once again.
Yeah,
Thank you.
actually, Uma, you know what? Your English will never change unless and until you don't change your entire life. I mean, every day. Because see, to develop your fluency and communication, you need to be disciplined in every walks of your life. You can't say that only English I will be disciplined. No. Overall, as you said, like now in your home, you discuss books. In your home, books are there. Instead of buying clothes, you buy books. Instead of watching some useless videos, you have audiobooks. Instead of using some useless apps, you have booklet app. When this mindset change will be there, only then fluency is going to change, because it's not like only one area of your life fluency is. Any skill development, including communication skills, you need to change your entire thought process, and that should reflect in every walk of your life. You can't be disciplined in any one section and indisciplined in another section. You have to be disciplined overall. And when you hear the word discipline, if you feel it is boredom, it is failure, it's torturing yourself, it's difficult, that is what most of the people think. And that is what I want to burst the myth, that it's exactly opposite. Discipline gives you freedom, discipline gives you happiness, discipline gives you more pleasure in life, more respect in life. And that is what I have learned in this 20 years about discipline. Uma, very inspirational, and really I got motivated from you. Great. Okay, Mithun, now it's your turn. All is yours.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so regarding this infection, I would say, with good surrounding and good people. So when I see, habit reports in my WhatsApp, so other people's habit reports, so I used to check who, books names. So books names and the podcast they are listening, because that there we can get good resource, because all the peoples are thinking in the same way, they want to learn, and we'll get the source there. And with that, so at least whenever I see the good book or something different, so I'll just read the book name in my book. So just I'll box that whenever I get the time. So I'll just order the book, review that book, and ordering the book and buying. It infected like buying the books. Whenever I open the Amazon, that Amazon app, so usually before joining the DNA, so I used to see the what's good deals today, and good offers for anything. So not only for the specific thing. So with this, so just I'll go to the bookshelf itself, and I'll review the books names, and feedback. So I'll review. Even Booklap app is there. So for the start any book, so I can get the summary in around 15 minutes. The summary will be completed, and with that, so we'll get importance of book, and so that in always in our mind. So we can order anytime. So ordering books is different, and physically I have the books in my bookshelf, so that will motivate whenever I see the bookshelf. Oh, so before 4 months I don't have a single book. So now I have around 10 to 12 books in my bookshelf, and that too waiting for reading. So that waiting list trigger me, and completing the current books. And also it's infected my family as well. So whatever I read the good books, I just hand out to my wife. So just try this. So even she has completed around 3 books. So and that changes still surrounding and spreading to the family as well. Even my daughter follow up on the book reading. So did you read that today? And did you join the class, like that? So it's around family connection, DLA family to my family. So it's even she interested to read the books, and every day she wants story. So previously I used to hesitate narrate the story in English, but nowadays so she wants the stories, any stories, but I just read the stories, and I try to explain daily one stories, and it's a kind of good journey, and good habits for the family as well. And infection means it's a good way, so we can use the word infection in a good way. So it's a very good so far. And disciplining, so when as sir you told, so when family member or family lead, So we'll take the disciplinary action. So it will automatically spread the family as well. So it's happening actually. So with my current habits and discipline, what I'm following, so it's obviously adapting the family, and yeah, it's helping in all the dimension which we are living. Yeah, with this coordinator session, and wherever we get stuck, and whatever question we have, that is automatically answered in daily practice batch, because because we are, as I told, equally minded. So some people will ask that question definitely, and yeah, Sandeep sir and some more someone is experienced that. Sorry, Rahul sir will explain that in a simple and simple straightforward answers. So in Rahul sir batch we got that, and yeah, wherever we stuck reading, and because sometime that was the question, like reading self-help book is continuously reading in boredom. We need to change the sources. So at that time, so we got a lot of books suggested by Rahul sir, and we directly ordered the book and we started reading on that, because we got the feedback in the right source. People already tried and tested that book, and so in that sense, so it's very helpful, and yeah, we try to adopt the things whatever we are discussing in daily basis. So somewhere in the current situation, so what we are doing daily our job, so it is not possible to adapt everything, but it will be in my back end of mind, so it will be come out whenever required. So that's my trust. So that's I'm following, sir.
Great. Friends, you know what? Before ending this session, I would like to tell that all these people, when I sent them a message, they said, yes, sir, I'm going to join. This in itself shows that they are confident. I mean, they are not worried about anyone is going to comment on me, because this video will be published on YouTube, but they're not worried about that. That kind of mental stability is very important. That kind of psychology is very important. That kind of confidence is very important. And these people have got. Fluency will follow them. They will keep on growing. They will keep on improving. But most important is the right attitude, the right mindset, the right thought patterns are very important. And that they have got now. In fact, as at the beginning, as I said, like, if you avoid, you will be always in that fear. But today you have faced it. Today you accepted this challenge, and the recording was going on. You knew you were under a bit stress, but still all of you did a fantastic job. You did not avoid, you faced it. Dear friends, I'm telling you, this decision of joining today and speaking in front of hundreds and thousands of students who are going to watch you, that will boost your confidence more. And that will help hundreds and thousands of students to again get better. If you people can do it, why they can't? They can also do it. This particular video should be an inspiration for everyone who is struggling to speak, who has fear, who feels like, am I good enough? Can I do it? As you said, Mithun, one day you have seen someone speaking on this platform. Today you are there. Today you are speaking in this platform, and this is what I want for everyone who is watching this video. Dear brothers and sisters who are watching me, we never discuss anything, or whatever we discuss is not a scripted, it is spontaneous. I haven't told them to praise me. I haven't told them to talk good about this institute. No, it's all open. Why? We don't need to worry about, because we know what we do. So these people are genuine speakers. They're disciplined people. They're respectable in their respective fields, and they're really doing good job. Dear friends, last 1 or 2 minutes are there. Anyone wants to add anything else? If you have forgotten anything, you want to say anything, otherwise we'll call it a day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity to convey our gratitude towards our time being with you. It's really great opportunity for all of us. So very grateful, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uma. You are so kind and so disciplined. And I'm sure, Uma, that your kids will turn up like you, because a mother plays a very important role in the growth of a child. And as a mother, you are a real example, a real ideal for all your kids. You get up at 1 o'clock and you work on amazing. I am inspired by that. Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah, madam.
Raghunath,
Yeah.
Raghunath, go ahead, and then madam will speak.
Yes, sir. Yeah, before joining DNA, I watched this type of video. Today, I am part of this video. Yeah, this is very happy for me, and yeah, it will motivate. Yeah, thank you, sir.
I'll tell you one thing. When you are doing something which is scary, yeah, nervousness will be there. But when you finish it, happiness will come. Now, when we are about to finish, see, your day will be very nice. Wow, I spoke, I went, I overcome my fear. Yeah, always it's not like fear will permanently go. No, I tell you candidly, I get nervous. And I accept my nervousness. As a human, I accept my nervousness. I don't want to portray my image as something which is someone who is esoteric and out of this world. No, I'm a human, I get nervous. Very good. Dr. Reena.
Yes, sir. I forgot to mention about very important thing about coordinator session. Yeah, sir, it starts from morning 8 o'clock to till 10 o'clock at night. So whenever we get time, we can attend that session. So it's a very good platform for us to join to our convenient time. And yes, sir. Second thing is that you have told in our regular class that you have to make that person friend, his or her by default habits is your desired habits. So yeah, that inspired me a lot, and now I am working on it, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes.
That's the real thing here is, as I said, like it is said that if you are best in the group, change the group. If you are best in the group, change the group and find a group where more is expected from you, more talented, more disciplined, more hardworking, bigger goals are there. And that is what we are doing in our institute. Come on, guys. It was real pleasure talking to you. And I'm really happy that you people have got the right direction. Keep it up, friends. Now, this is not going to end. Your friends in the coordinators group, your friends in this institute will be permanent friends. And you should not only strive to improve your fluency, communication, but thought process, the standard of living, the discipline, the psychology which we learn. Be a counselor for each other in tough times. Okay, so thanks a lot again, and congratulations to all of you. You have broken that mental barrier, and now you are one step ahead, and you will be more confident next time. Whenever you get an opportunity, come on, go ahead and speak. Thank you, friends. Take care and have a pleasant Sunday to you. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah.